sir. My name is Pastor Yalton Maklo, and please let me ask you something. Do you know how much you've spent this month? If yes, I'm probably sure that you used Momo, and I'm sure that every transaction that you do, every cash out, every airtime that you buy, everything that you use the Momo app to do, it generates an SMS which sits in your inboxes. So you probably will say there are hundreds of them of SMS that after sending money, after withdrawing, it sits in your inbox, and you probably ask yourself that, okay, I'm going to go through this SMS to track everything that I did through Momo. Then it's days pass, week pass, it's still the same. So there's no app out there that is fit for us. It just record bank alerts in dollar and other stuff, which as we have taken into consideration to build this app that would track every single transaction that you do. As far as the message is generated through SMS, it picks it up, calculates it for you so that you know every expense that you did, everything that you purchased, every expense that you did in a month, and it will keep you on track. So this is what our app does, and Inshira will take it from here.
I'm Inshira Esaba Aqua, and I'm here to talk about BudgetBoss. So, someone might ask, what is BudgetBoss? It's a mobile app that turns your Momo SMS alert into a personal financial dashboard. You just let the app read the Momo messages already in your phone, and it does the rest. So it has 3 core features, which is whether you are on MTN, Momo, Telecel Cash, or Airtel Tigo, it passes your SMS notification, and then it turns each one into a categorized transaction. Now, secondly, you can set monthly budgets, pick a category like food or airtime, set a limit, and the app tracks your spending against it in real time. Thirdly, you are saving for a new phone or building emergency fund. Create a goal, set a target, and add it to it over time. Now, instead of me describing it, let me show you. Moro is going to walk you through the app.
Good day, sir. My name is Moro Simba, and I will be demonstrating the live features of our application BudgetBoss. When a user opens the app, they are taken directly to the dashboard here. They can instantly see their Momo wallet balance, monthly income, and then the monthly expenses. The pie chart provided a visual breakdown of spending categories, helping users quickly identify where their money is going. User can also switch between different months to track their financial performances. And one of the most useful features of BudgetBoss is the SMS import functionality. Instead of entering transaction manually, the app automatically reads Momo transaction message and extract import details such as the transaction type and then the amount. Users can also paste SMS message manually if needed, and the preview screen allow them to verify and detect transactions before importing them into the system. This makes financial tracking faster, easier, and more accurate. The history section stores all imported transactions in order in one place. Users can search for specific transaction, filter by income or expenses, and view detailed information including the amount, category, reference number, account balance after the transaction, and even the original SMS message. This helps users maintain complete record of their financial activities. The budget and savings goal. The app BudgetBoss also helps users manage their spending through budgeting tools. Users can set spending limits for different categories and monitor their progress using visual indicators. When spending exceeds the set limit, the system highlights it immediately. In addition, the saving goals feature allows users to create financial targets, track contributions, and monitor progress through a progress bar. This encourages better savings habits and help users achieve their financial objectives. Thank you, sir.
My name is Doug and Magidio, and I'm the group leader for the project BudgetBoss. And I'm here to explain, how everything works under the hood. So with everything my colleagues have explained and showed so far, I'm going to demonstrate and show how everything works, behind the scene. So this first screen, this is the SMS parser. Yeah, this screen controls the SMS and basically the heart of the app. So Momo messages from MTN, Telecel, or Airtel Tigo, these all follow a similar pattern. So, for example, an amount like 50 cedis in action word like sent or received, and usually a balance. Instead of one giant pattern, we use small, focused, regular expressions. One for the amount, one for the balance, one for the reference. Then keywords in the message determine the type and category. Example, airtime goes under airtime, ECG or electricity goes under bills. Simple and easy to understand. Okay, so this screen is where all our database code lives. Yeah, so with what we have going on right now, everything is stored locally using SQLite. 3 tables, which will be transaction, budgets, and saving goals. No server, no cloud, no sign up. And we check for duplicates on import, so the same messages won't create duplicate entries. So this screen is the state management, and then this code is a state management. So for state management, we use provider. That is a single finance provider holds all the data and notifies the UI whenever something changes. So the dashboard, budgets, and goals all stay in sync automatically. All right, so that's the basic architecture, behind the BudgetBoss app. It's simple, local, and private. All right, so I'll let Frank, give us have the final word on our presentation. All right, thank you.
My name is Frank Adona, and I want to conclude with whatever my team members have already explained about BudgetBoss. Millions of Ghanaians, including you and I, use mobile money every single day, and every transaction generates an SMS that most of us ignore. I know most of my teammates also ignores them, but BudgetBoss takes those messages and turns them into something useful. A clear picture of where your money goes, tools to set up spending limits, and a way to save towards your goal. We don't see this as a finished product. Going forward, we would like to add up spending alerts when you approach your budget limit, recurring expenses tracking to predict monthly loss, monthly cost, a PDF exports for reports, and support for bank SMS notification along the Momo. This project was built by the 5 of us. Gideon, our leader, who architectured and helped us with the development of the application, Foster, Ishura, Moro, and myself. Upon several virtual meetings, we finally got the app we wanted, and as it's been sold out to the market, I entrust that you make use of our app, BudgetBoss, because your Momo messages already know where your money goes. It's time you did too. Thank you.